Hey everyone, this is Betsy Coyne with PC Mac Technology. Do you know how secure you are when you're browsing the internet? Do you know that when you visit a website, information is being saved to your browser? In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to secure your Firefox browser. And if you're using Microsoft Edge, you might want to consider switching to Chrome or Firefox. Let's take a look. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you're using the most up-to-date version of Firefox. So to do this, once you have the browser open, now on a Mac, you're going to do this one way. You're going to look in the upper left corner where it says the Firefox menu and go ahead and click there. And the first option says About Firefox. Go ahead and click there. In the window that opens up, you'll see it prompts you as to what version you're using and then whether you need to update Firefox to restart. If you're on a Windows computer, you're going to go to the three stacked lines in the upper right corner, click there, then go all the way down, click on Help, and in this menu it'll say About Firefox. Go ahead and click there. That will tell you what version you're using. If you don't have the latest version of Firefox, it'll prompt you for that, and you'll go ahead and click here where it says Restart to update Firefox. The browser restarts, and then you're ready to go. Now to look at the privacy settings, in Firefox, you're going to click on those three stacked lines in the upper right corner. And from the menu, you're going to go down to where it says Preferences. Now, once again, if you're on a Mac, it says Preferences. If you're on a Windows computer, it says Options. You go ahead and click there, and it brings up this window, which has a left sidebar with your options, and we're going to go to Privacy and Security. Once there, you're going to scroll down until you see the option right here that says Send Websites a Do Not Track symbol that you don't want to be tracked. So you want to click that to make sure it says Always. Underneath there, there's a section dedicated to cookies and site data. Cookies is these little bits of information that are stored on your computer. And underneath there, there's an option that says delete cookies and site data when Firefox is closed. That makes it very easy for you. If you click in that box so that it's checked, every time you close Firefox, this information will be deleted and keeping your computer more secure. Underneath there, there's a section on logins and passwords. You want to make sure that the Ask to Save Logins and Passwords for Websites is unchecked, as well as use a master password. And underneath there, there's a section for forms and autofill, and you want to make sure that the autofill addresses option is also unchecked. You see, this is all information that if you're finding in your browser right now as you're watching this video, if yours are checked, then this information is being saved in the background, and your browser is not as secure as you'd like it to be. Scroll down to view the next section labeled History. And in this section, you can indicate what Firefox will do while you're browsing different websites. You see this drop-down box right here has a drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click there. You've got three options. Yours most likely is set to Remember History. You can change that to say Use Custom Settings for History. If you go ahead and click there, you see now you've got these options below, which allows you to check the box that says Clear History when Firefox closes. Now keep in mind, this is really the best way to be most secure, but if you've been saving passwords and saving login information prior to this, when you clear your history, that login information will be cleared and you will no longer be logged in. So I want to make sure that you know your passwords before you go through these steps. I know many people who say, but I have way too many passwords. I need the browser to save them. But we're talking about being secure here. So saving passwords in Firefox or any browser is really a bad idea. Those saved passwords is exactly what hackers and browser malware look for when they attack your computer. On that note, What antivirus program are you using? That's a topic for another. Thank you so much for watching. Now, don't forget, click here to subscribe and then click the bell icon, which will turn on your notifications, and then you'll get an email when the next video comes out. And then click here to see our most recent video.